In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Mindful Souls box. And I'm very excited because this seems like a heavy box. And if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. That way you'll never miss out on another unboxing. Because every time I unbox any of these boxes, they're filled with crystals and spiritual items and things you can use in your everyday life to manipulate energy in your favor, right? So we're gonna get into this Mindful Souls box. Before we do, I do want to let you guys know a few things about Mindful Souls. It is a subscription. It's about $39 something a month. And another thing that I really like about it is if you like anything that you see me unboxing, I would highly recommend you guys go check out their website because they have a whole boutique, they have a whole store, so you don't have to get the whole box. You can just get like what I show you. And it's just really fun, and I love these boxes because it just helps to add more things to your spirituality, you know, more energy, more things to study, more things to learn about, and just crystals and jewelry. This jewelry piece right here is from Mindful Souls, and Mindful Souls is something that I really, really love for their jewelry pieces because I wear these pieces like to events. I wear these pieces every day. It's just very, very pretty. But with all that being said, I will link their store down below. But with that being said, let's start unboxing. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like inside, right? The card. I'm not gonna look at the card because I don't want to see everything that's in there. I want to see everything with you guys. The first thing that I see here is the card. Affirmation card for friends. I attract only loving and uplifting people into my life. I keep these, like I say in every single video, I keep these on my fridge, or I keep it in my bathroom mirror, or I put them in my journal. These affirmation cards are really, really fun, and they do something to your subconscious mind. You don't have to physically actually read it every day, but just knowing that this card is there on your mirror or on your fridge, you kind of your subconscious already knows what the message is. So these, I love these. Okay, so that's the first one. And then this is what the box kind of looks like after the card. The next thing that I see here is a sticker, and it says new month, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, and new results. This is something that would be so good to put on your bathroom mirror or on your fridge, somewhere where you could see it every single day, on the ceiling when you wake up every single morning. You see it. Like, this is a really, really good sticker for that. I love their stickers, and every single month they give a really, really nice sticker. I have like a Hamsa one. I have a really, really pretty ones that I put on my fridge. So I see those every single day. Now the next thing that I see here is an exfoliating round body scrubber. And it smells like roses. So this is what it looks like right here. This is really nice. I am really excited to use this, and it's dual-sided, and it exfoliates your skin. Ooh, it feels really, really good. This is nice. So now that, so no longer is it a card. Now they have an entire pamphlet, so now I can kind of look at it. It's an exfoliating body scrubber. Wonderful tool to clear away dead and dry skin. Yes, you can feel it. It feels like the seaweed scrubbers. I don't know if you guys have seen those. Like, it's like, it's not seaweed. It's some kind of something that comes out of the ocean. And it feels just like this. Very tough and hard. But when you put it in water, it becomes very soft and exfoliating. It's an enchanting tropical tale with tangible benefits for your skin and well-being, and the pineapple scent will make it extra refreshing. I don't smell the pineapple, but I do know that pineapple is really, really good for fertility, for sexuality, and also for people who struggle with depression. Spiritually, pineapple is very, very good for that. So I'm excited to get into this. Now, the next thing I see here is an incense, and this is from Golaka Nature's Jasmine. Ooh, okay. Let's see how this smells. I love jasmine incense. Jasmine incense is so good for money, for love, for tapping in with Venus energy. If you have a weak Venus in your chart, jasmine is very, very good. Yeah, I'm going to definitely be offering this to my Hanuman, my Shiva, and my Kali. They love jasmine. And you can really, really smell the jasmine essence in here. And how many do you get? Do they tell you? No, they don't tell you how many that's in here, but it smells really, really good. Okay, now the next thing, now 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 things in this box. And you guys know I have not done the video yet. I've been promising you guys for a while, but I'm gonna be doing the video soon. I just have to really like sit down and draft it for you guys so that I can tell you everything that I use these for. But these little baggies, I use them for so many different things. Remember I said jewelry? Remember I said jewelry? Oh my God. Do you see this? Of course I'm going to be showing you a close-up of this, but this looks like aventurine. And it's not aventurine, it's a green fluorite ring. And green fluorite is one of nature's finest creations with a delicate, soft, and extraordinary appearance. Yeah, it's beautiful. And you know what I like about it? It's adjustable. I love that. Oh my God. Do you see it? Green fluorite will energize you and bring you more positivity, while compliments will become usual. Okay. This beautiful ring goes well with any attire or spiritual practice. This is really, really good. Fluorite is something that kind of just brings your spirit out of your body, like helps your spirit come out and express itself. Fluorite is a very, very beautiful crystal to be wearing, and this is really pretty. I love this. So that's the first thing that we see. Now the next thing that I see here is a bigger pouch. And in here, it looks like there is a bookmark with a clear quartz crystal on it. Oh my Lord, this is beautiful. I could use this for my planner, for my journal, for books that I'm reading. This is really, really pretty because clear quartz absorbs energy. So whatever you're reading, whatever you're planning, you know, in your journal, whatever, however you plan to use this, you can actually absorb the energy of those things into this crystal. This is a clear quartz bookmark. And clear quartz is a universal crystal surrounded by countless mythologies, ancient practices, and folklore. But it's always been a crystal of high vibrations. Yes, very, very high vibrations, but it absorbs the vibrations around it, and then it makes those vibrations high, if you get what I'm saying. It's capable of helping you live up to your highest potential. It will uplift your concentration and memory, especially using it as a bookmark. I would definitely, I'm going to offer this to my Saraswati because Saraswati is the goddess that I work with for wisdom and concentration and focus, motivation, all that stuff. So I would probably give this to her first, have it charged with her, and then I'll start using it for my planner and all that stuff. It's very, very beautiful. And I just love the packaging. They just packaged it so well, safe and protected. Now, the next thing that I see here, if you guys see my candle back here, it's burning really nice. The next thing that I see here is another jewelry piece. You guys, I love their jewelry. This is so gorgeous. What even is this? Is it rose quartz? I'm not sure. Pink aventurine. Since its discovery in the 18th century, pink aventurine was always about positive vibrations and opening the heart. This gentle bracelet will connect you to heart chakra and help you spread love. Wear it often or meditate with it and you'll start removing distress from your mind, replacing with peaceful and loving thoughts. I'm not too familiar with pink aventurine, but this is gonna be something else that's gonna go, like I told you guys, whenever I get new jewelry, new pieces, then I'm just gonna keep an eye on that candle back there. Whenever I get new pieces I don't know about, I study them. So this is going to go in my study pile. Pink aventurine is something that I do not own, especially in jewelry or even in crystal form. So I'm very excited for this. It's beautiful, and you can feel there's a different kind of a calming energy, but it's calming but strong, fiery, fierce type of an energy. So I'm very excited to get into this. And these crystals, whatever that they are meant for, like this one is obviously for your heart chakra. So you can actually burn a green candle just like this and wrap this around the bottom of the candle. Make sure that your candle doesn't get like this, because my candles get like this. This is how I work with my candles. So I can't always be putting crystals and stuff in there, but if you have like a smaller jar candle or a birthday candle that's not going to really touch this, you can keep it around it as a circle, and the energy of whatever the crystal is. If you guys want, I can do a shorts or a video really quickly for you guys to show you how you can use your bracelets to charge your spell work and your rituals. So this is a really good one. I'm gonna definitely put in my pile to study more of pink aventurine. But the last thing in this box, it's heavy and it's big, you guys. Let's see what it is. It's a crystal. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is gorgeous. I don't have anything like this. What is this even? This is ocean agate palm stone. Palm stone. Okay, so I have one palm stone, and it's a labradorite crystal. And that palm stone I keep where I sleep. So I don't really like keep it in my palms. I just kind of keep it where I sleep, and my cats love to sleep on it. This is my second palm stone that I'm owning right now, and this is the different color patterns of these lovely agate stones will take you to a dreamy ocean shore. Somewhere where waves crash gently and the sky is soothing blue, agate palm stones are perfect for bringing more tranquility into daily life. Carry the stones with you, meditate with them, or place them where you spend most of your time. And you start reducing stress in no time. So what I like to do with this is, like, if I'm meditating, this is what I would do. I would keep it in my palm. Or I would keep this stone specifically with my Saraswati. She's right behind you guys, right behind the camera. And another thing is, when you're really, really stressed out, you can just rub it and put your heat into it. Put your stress into it, and then sage it afterwards. So there's lots of ways you can use this. It's beautiful. It does look like a seashore, like the ocean. It really does. And I'm very excited. This is also going to be going into my pile of things to study. So pink aventurine and ocean agate, which is really funny because my spirits personally are from the ocean. And so I'm going to definitely be doing a prayer today and offering this to them. If you guys want a whole video about how to use pink aventurine or this, let me know. But that's everything that was in the box. I really, really like this box. Okay, you got incense, you got stickers, affirmations, jewelry pieces that are so pretty. I'm very excited for this box. And I have a coupon code and a link down below where you can get, if you just are interested in a few of these things, you can grab those, or you can get the whole box. That's a lot of things, a lot of really beautiful things for just under $40. So yeah, I'm very excited for this box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.